Specialised testing used in civil structures. Really the main two you need to worry about are both, well, one of them's concrete and timber related, which is a beam test or a flexural test. The other one is concrete, or two in concrete. One's called a slump test. They use on wet concrete to see how strong it's likely to be. And the third one is a rebound or a scleroscope test they use to measure strength. It's an indication of strength. So let's cover it quickly. Flexural strength, or a 3-point beam test. What's critical in civil structures is how a beam bends. Beams are loaded up, you need to know how far it's going to bend. So physically, they have, on a test, 2 rollers, a test beam, and on top they apply a third roller with a load. And they measure, just like your tensile test with force versus distance, they physically measure how that beam flexes, deflection versus load. Incredibly common. You'll find, somewhere or other I've got a photo, can't find it now. As it bends, critical for later, this in here you can see it's folded in on itself. Going back to that stuff we did on mechanics, the neutral axis, there's no damage. Underneath that beam, it physically starts to fall apart when it breaks. So you literally see if it's timber, I'm talking timber here, the timber will crush and collapse on itself, and you can see the crush gradually getting smaller. And underneath, where it's in tension, it rips and you can see the cracks falling apart on the outside. Yeah? So that is a flexural test.